Hi everybody!
Hi everybody!
Guess who's back? He's back. And
Cindy's back.
Today we're trying to keep the Christ in Christmas. And we're also trying to keep Christmas alive. And what better way to keep Jesus in Christmas than to make some gingerbread houses?
Because that's where he lived, in a gingerbread house.
We're trying to keep Christmas alive. Today is December 30th. And by trying to keep Christmas alive, we mean we're trying not to waste these gingerbread houses that both of us bought and never used. He's gonna eat hers after. I'm just making mine for decoration. He has the ghetto version and I have the pretty version. Mine's already put together.
Oh,
all you have to do is decorate it.
Yeah.
And this was only $7 too. I got it from Michael's.
Yours is already put together?
Well, we know who's gonna win this contest. When we're finished making these gingerbread houses, make sure you comment down below who has the better one.
You know it's gonna be mine.
You know you're...
Hallelujah! 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 Mine's already put together. This is gonna be so easy.
This is mine. It's kind of, I don't know which one goes with which. I'm gonna make the church because I think that's so appropriate. Whoops, there goes the window.
From the window! Yes. To the wall.
I can't believe yours is all together. Did you know that?
No, I didn't. My house is so nice.
Oh, hush. Mine's falling apart.
I'm not surprised. Even if yours is put together, you'd still have a hard time. Oh my god, you actually need to do
Okay,
this.
how do I get this off?
I don't know, you have to figure it out.
Mine's a tiny house. Well, of course that figures that's where I'm going to live someday, in a tiny house. All right, here it goes.
I can't believe you're making a church.
Well, I'm not. This has become a house now. I don't know what I'm making.
Yours is small.
I know, it's a tiny house. Look! My cute little house. You're still trying to put your tube on. I'm putting a house
Do you
together.
have like a beat up sheet house?
Yeah, patience is key because yours looks absolutely terrible. Okay, I got both of my little piping things and I'm ready to go. Look at that. Beauty Guru.
Pretty gross.
This is actually gonna look really good. I know it.
Mine's better.
I also have fondant, so this is really, I mean, don't call me Cake Boss or whatever that show was. Was that Cake Boss?
Yeah.
Cake Boss is quaking. About to Gordon Ramsay this ish. Oh my god, it's fondant!
Oh, is this cute? So cute.
That looks freaking amazing.
Your mother's going to vote for us and she's going to say that mine's the best, aren't
I think
you,
she's
Hollis?
gonna say that mine's the best.
Besides, yours was already put together, so you have an advantage right there. Okay, oops, the chimney's falling apart. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get back, come on. Come on, stay, little chimney. There's been an earthquake.
There's no earthquakes in Florida. Holland doesn't like.
Trinity.
What?
Yours is getting too professional looking.
I know. Okay, so here's what I got so far.
Probably because you had lessons in gingerbread making.
Lessons in gingerbread making?
Probably.
When did I ever have lessons in
yours is
gingerbread
already
making?
put together. That's not fair.
I think you just like to be the victim.
Well, yeah, because mine was not put together. You know, right there, I'm working at a disadvantage.
So far, mine looks real good. Why do I have this house?
Yeah.
Because I bought it for a YouTube video.
Well,
It's only $7 at Marshall's. Marshalls. That's absolutely disgusting. That's absolutely disgusting.
It's kind of hard gingerbread. If you just got your...
Because you're not supposed to eat it.
Yes, you are. I might end up eating your gingerbread house.
You better stop!
because yours is
You are
crushed.
not going anywhere near my gingerbread
you get
house.
the-
So far, I'm adding some detail to the roof.
Oh, that's cute, Trin.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
I know.
Well, that's because you have a tube and I don't.
I make a little, one of the little gingerbread houses.
Oh, oops.
Okay.
Trinity,
Ha ha!
this is what happened to my gingerbread. It was
Not
an earthquake.
surprised.
What do you want?
That's the way, I like it, He just walked away and she admitted, she said, it's cuter than mine. You heard it here first, folks. Mine looks straight fire.
This wall's a little crooked.
I'm the star.
Holland, stop, what did you just do?
Told him that he was the star.
Holland!
I'm the star.
Now I have to fix it.
I'm the star.
You better stop!
Holland. Or you could do this one that had a little bite taken out of it, and I don't know how that happened or who did it.
Yeah, right.
I didn't take a bite out of that.
Sorry, I'm only focusing on making this freaking masterpiece that looks absolutely amazing. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
That's because yours is already put together. They're giving you Christmas
Oh
candy.
my god.
I mean, think about it.
I did not know mine was gonna get put together, hee hee.
Well, I mean,
Can I have a
if
bowl
he
so I can
needs it.
squirt this?
It won't squeeze out. I couldn't squeeze it.
So that's what you gave to Holland. You're like, here, Holland, you can use this. I can't squeeze it out.
Oh no, I got
You
it.
do it.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh,
Guys, look at my.
I think I'm gonna quit.
Aw.
Jay, that's so cute.
He never give up.
I know, but look at what she's doing. She's putting polka dots all over her house.
Your hands are gonna get messy.
The baker.
Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney, old Saint Nick.
He just told Shepard not to eat the decorations. I'm gonna add a montage of all the clips of her eating the decorations.
Now, if mine was cute, would you admit it? Not really.
Yeah, that looks kind of cute.
Nothing's as cute as yours, Trinity.
I know.
Shepard, you want to join us?
No.
Our happy little game? Now, if I had cute little food coloring, mine would look cute too.
Can I just notice something, Hee Hee? You've been blaming everything on your materials.
I
Why
am.
don't you work with what you got
I
and make
am.
the best dang Christmas house you've ever seen?
I have.
Because you're really slacking. And probably because you're eating all the products you're supposed to be decorating with.
Well, it tastes pretty good.
I can't be around her anymore.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather.
There's this house. There's that house. There's that house. And there's this house.
And you have to give.
And I want you guys to point to the one you like better. Okay, Sadie likes that house. And Piper likes the little house. Okay, for the final reveal. This was my house. That was my mom's house. And those two ugly ones were Hee Hee's houses.
That was not nice.
Okay, folks.
Oh, so rude.
He's really mad because she lost. But I'm not surprised because I knew I would win.
You
I mean-
won.
I knew I would win. So
You don't win grammar.
Oh! Okay, so this concludes our video.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. When you're seeing this, it will probably be
And keep going for Christmas.
2018. So we'll catch you on the flippity flop.